Strong bases are an important category of chemical compounds that play a crucial role in acid-base chemistry. In this lesson, we'll explore what makes a base strong and understand the concept of complete dissociation in water. A strong base is defined as a base that completely dissociates into ions when dissolved in water. This means that when you add a strong base to water, every single molecule breaks apart to release hydroxide ions, written as OH-. There is no equilibrium here. The dissociation is complete, meaning 100% of the base molecules split into ions. Let's look at sodium hydroxide, represented as NaOH, as our example. When solid sodium hydroxide dissolves in water, it completely dissociates into sodium ions, written as Na+, and hydroxide ions, written as OH-. The arrow pointing to the right indicates that this reaction goes to completion. Every single molecule of sodium hydroxide that enters the solution splits completely into these two ions. There are 6 common strong bases you should memorize. These include sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, lithium hydroxide LiOH, barium hydroxide written as Ba with OH in parentheses subscript 2, calcium hydroxide Ca with OH in parentheses subscript 2, and strontium hydroxide Sr with OH in parentheses subscript 2. These are the main strong bases you'll encounter in chemistry. The first 3 strong bases, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and lithium hydroxide, are called alkali metal hydroxides because they come from group 1 of the periodic table. These compounds have a key feature. They are highly soluble in water and completely dissociate into their component ions. This high solubility and complete dissociation are what make them strong bases. The remaining 3 strong bases, calcium hydroxide, strontium hydroxide, and barium hydroxide, are called alkaline earth metal hydroxides because they come from group 2 of the periodic table. These compounds have a special feature. Each molecule releases 2 hydroxide ions when it dissociates. This is because of the subscript 2 after the OH group in their chemical formulas. Let's examine how barium hydroxide dissociates. When solid barium hydroxide dissolves in water, it completely breaks apart into 1 barium ion, written as Ba2+, and 2 hydroxide ions, written as 2 OH-. Notice that each molecule of barium hydroxide produces 2 hydroxide ions because of the OH subscript 2 in its formula. This doubling of hydroxide ions makes group 2 hydroxides particularly effective as bases. To summarize, strong bases have 3 key characteristics. First, they show 100% dissociation in water. There are no intact base molecules remaining in solution. Second, they produce very high pH values, typically between 13 and 14, making the solution highly basic. Third, they are strong electrolytes and excellent conductors of electricity because they produce a large concentration of ions in solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.